What a roller coaster this video has been with the ultimate come through at the end. Okay, but should I host a high stakes reality show? Because it just sounded like I should. Okay, just kidding, maybe. But this video did get a little prickly. Before we get carried away with those shenanigans though, my house did need to be tidied up, as you might be able to see. So I'm just giving you a little walkthrough here. That was only like 1 day worth of dishes, I swear. And then that bag right there, ultimate secret, ultimate hack, life hack. Go to BJ's brewery if you have one and just order the Paizukis. We ordered 4 of them and this was like 2 days later and we had 2 still and they were still soft and it comes with ice cream. So good. And then I was talking about my simmer pot there because I have all the stuff left over from when I did a simmer pot in my summer solstice video. So I'm going to make one in this video too. So stay tuned. I love them. These ones smell like very rosy, as you'll see later. And also look so springy, so aesthetic, and I just love that.
I don't post. Usually I don't post, but I want the world to know. Time to pull the drop tops out. Summer nights, it's a vibe, yeah. We've been keeping it in the house. Netflix and chillin', I GDM'in', yeah. Didn't wanna share my love till I found someone I'm sure of. Young and untamed, I've been out of range, keeping it low. But I wanna be bold with it. Don't care who we told about it. Well, baby, got a hold on it. Let love unfold tonight. They'll be calling us gold. No lies, so fair with it. Let them stare at it. Now I'm prepared. Instead of love out loud since we ain't going nowhere. So tonight, baby, need me. Timing's right. Our romance to be. Can't deny. Love the things we do when it's just us two. But tonight, need me outside. Usually I don't post. Usually I don't post, but I want the
I have all this stuff I'm going to clean up, but I wanted to do a little haul. I'm not going to show you the Chewy box. It's dog goodies. I got this African net sponge. I haven't used it yet, but it just came in. Super stretchy, and you can like wash your back with it, and it's supposed to be super exfoliating. Next is my thrift store haul. Look at these placemats. These like lacy doily placemats, $1, and it has 20 of them. I think it's gonna be great for like hosting. It's gonna be super aesthetic cottagecore vibes. And then some more just regular doilies, $1 again. This has 12 in there. Okay, some more thrift store stuff. Look at this. It's super cute. I can put it on my gallery wall. This one says April down below. You can't see it. And then this one, again, super cute. This one says January. Guess how much? $1. Both of them are $1. One of my best friends is having a wedding soon. We're about to do her bachelorette party, and I'm the maid of honor. So I'm gonna give everyone goodie bags, but in her goodie bag, I got this little bracelet. It says bride on it, super cute. But this candle is the best. Maybe I should, you can just guess. When this candle is lit, give me, and I'm covering it up because, you know, if you know, you know. So that's gonna be in her goodie bag. I think it's gonna be so fun. Funny. Other things I got for the bachelorette party, these like dare card games. I think they're like scratch offs. One of the dares is to find a stranger to serenade the bride. Share a bar stool with a guy. I don't know. Ooh, maid of honor's choice. I'm gonna love that one. You can't really tell, but we got some like bride squad tattoos in here. My dad, a birthday / Father's Day present. His birthday is the Saturday before Father's Day, like 1 day before. Yeah, it's not that cool, but it's a razor.
Yeah. Conscious. Matic. Alright, so far where I come from. I sit and wonder about the times that it made sense. But nowadays, I don't worry about what's past tense. My younger days, I used to hang around with mad friends. If we just fell out, I don't really know what happened. A lot of people come around and keep you stagnant, distraction. So yeah, don't show them no compassion. We was really out here grinding, really rapping, stacking them Franklins, them Grants, and them Jacksons. Imagine if we would've never chased our passion. We probably would've never knew what happened. They was all just talk, we showed action. Once they leave, don't you let them back in. Just pack up all their stuff and send them packing. I'm blacking on anybody thinking they could act up with me. This vibe ain't for free, cause where I'm at in life, I'm only focused on me. Note the self, know yourself, focus on your health. They don't wanna help, then fuck it, do it by yourself. Don't give them no excuse to put you on the shelf. If it's me, myself, and I, then it's no one else. Yeah. Self-love is the best love. It's the people who always give that never get love. They ain't real enough to probably say they messed up. Just let it go and make the best of it. Yeah, self-love is the best love. It's the people who always give that never get love. They ain't real enough to probably say they messed up. Just let it go and make the best of it. Love yourself.
Yeah, practice what you preaching, but clearly they not practicing entitlement and pride. Yeah, those two things they factor in. Spiral out of control just from all the bantering. When they accustomed to talking behind your back with all that chattering, I remove myself before I abuse myself. Talk about self-love, but you gotta do it yourself. Yeah, I won't act too good for no help. We all healing now. Said some things about me that ain't true. How you feeling now? Even at my lowest, they tried to find a way to bring me down. Big y'all up for years, ain't talking just the brand or the sound. I don't throw things around, I do it from the heart proud. Mama just wanna see her sunshine, removing them dark clouds.
Yeah, self-love is the best love. It's the people who always give that never get love. They ain't real enough to probably say they messed up. Just let it go and
I've made a deal with myself in here. When I get all the laundry put away, there's another basket. So when I get this basket, that basket put away, I get to put on a simmer pot. Super cute and aesthetic, and it smells so good. So sometimes you just gotta make deals with yourself to get it done, right? Am I right?
Merry go round, round with ya. In and out, then up and down, down, down. It's getting old, going around, round with ya. Think I need some solid ground. Merry go.
let's go. Let's hop. Ooh, that's cold. That's hot. Let's go. Let's hop. Ooh, that's cold.
Riding in my drop top, windows down. Think I'm going crazy, looking for a sign. You and me should stop, settle down. Go our separate ways and never turn around. What can I do? Can play by your rules. I break when I bend over backwards for you. If there's a way to get you to change, I won't be around anymore anyway. Merry go round, round with ya. In and out, then up and down, down, down. It's getting old, going around, round with ya. Think I need some solid ground. Merry go.
Let's go. Let's not. Ooh, that's cold. That's hot. Let's go. Let's not. Ooh, that's cold.
All I think about in
Okay, in my last video, I hung this print that I got from Amazon on my wall, and I wanted to get a frame for it, and then I found this bad boy at a thrift store for guess how much? $10. I got it for $10. But I knew it wasn't quite the right size. I guess I was hoping it would be a little better, like if you can tell right there. But I'm thinking because it's, you know, layered, that maybe you wouldn't notice as much. I mean, the picture's kind of cool looking at it now. I'm like, pretty cool. But I really like my print better. It depicts the time of day. So that's morning, early afternoon, and like evening or night. So yeah, pretty cool. So I'm gonna try to rip this picture open and see if I can make it work. Worst case scenario, it doesn't work, but it was only $10 for this ginormous frame. And I think I'm gonna put it over my bed because my room is very plain. It needs some love, so. All right.
take the blame, fix my mistakes. But what if I change? Would you stay through the pain while I grow? Merry-go, round, round with ya. In and out, then up and down, down, down. It's getting old, going around, round with ya. Think I need some solid ground. Merry-go.
Let's go. Let's high. Let's go. That's high. Let's go.
Okay, that was harder than I thought. I'm not sure if it looks that good. I fear it may look a little, we'll call it rough. But let's look. Let's look. Oh, it's not so bad. Oh, it's actually kind of bad. Ugh. All right, there it is. Let me get some zoom in shots. So when you look at it like you don't know what I just did. Just like, you know, oh, cool, cute pic. Like, don't examine it. Just real quick, just look. And then let me know in the comments what you think. La-di-da, we're just looking at my stuff. Oh, look, cute picture. Wow. So cute. Okay, we're gonna move on. I don't know. I'm starting to think that maybe this was a fail. It's just, to hang it in my bedroom, I'm gonna need to put an anchor in the wall. And it's like, is it even worth it? Because this is looking kind of rough. Like, maybe I just need to buy a frame that is this size. And now I guess buy a picture that's the size for the frame. And just call it a day. I don't know. What do you guys think? I need help. I'm not gonna hang it up right now because I need some opinions. Okay, but actually, I forgot about these frames that I got. Not frames, they're pictures. I don't even want to mess with them. Look at them, look at them, look, look, look. I think this one says autumn. And then this one says spring. And those just happen to be my two favorite seasons. I would say autumn, fall is my favorite season. And then spring is my second favorite. And then it's hard to choose between summer and winter because I love winter, like in the beginning, when it's Christmas, when it's like magical. But then I think right around New Year's, it should be done. And we should be moving into spring, but it lingers. At least where I am, it lingers until like the end of April. So that's how I feel about winter, and kind of the same about summer. Like when it first starts, I'm like, yes, barbecue, maybe go camping, even though I don't do it very often. But then right around July, August, I'm like, okay, I'm too hot. Let's move it along to fall. So anyways, what if I just hang these in my room? I think that these would go way better. I don't have to do any work to them. They're super cute. I'm gonna go that route.
I wanna fall down, split out of my new shag carpet, head staring at the plants in my little hanging garden. I want it all today. I don't want no part of a long life, just wanna make songs fly. Got them old teardrops, all the pieces of hot rice. Keep loving an ears drop, speak out my mouth dry. When would the fear stop? Probably when I die. I think when it comes, I'll be ready for my time.
Yeah, summon up another summer weekend. Death rides a horse in my fantasy. Taking in the seasons, ooh, now while I got them. Hope I'm still pretty when it comes for me.
Dark days accumulate. Cumulus clouds hang numerous, but fall's days outnumbered by summers. Hubris go a long way till it ends in a bummer. Faces fall flat in the gutters, learn a bit quicker than others. I know that death gon' be coming. Think I'll run at the numbers, show be batting 100. Don't leave in its clutches, so might as well think of embrace. What is one of you gonna think I'm ready for this summed up and turn into nothing?
Summon up another summer.
Okay, so this is when it got a little prickly. The wire on the back of the frames were different lengths. So my perfectly aligned holes, it didn't matter. They were still crooked. But it's okay. I just took a second to pout, and then I had to handle it off camera. I just put another molly in a little bit higher, and then the frame covered the first one, so it was fine. I had to take a second. And look, they're so gorgeous and even. Okay, well, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I had so much fun making it, and I mean, look, that's a $4 fine on my wall. It's so gorgeous. So Don't skip out on your local thrift store. All right, bye.